Hi, this is Steve Knight and welcome to Blackwell Global's Daily Market Update. Starting with the euro, and the pair rose fractionally as it reacted to the slight uptick in the US existing home sales figures, which came in slightly above forecasts at 5.5 million. Looking forward, the euro will remain relatively quiet until the European PMI data is released on Friday. Be aware that any surprises from the PMI data could cause volatility, so keep an eye on the results. Turning to the Kiwi Dollar now, and the pair had a tumultuous day as the Reserve Bank of New Zealand decided to cut rates 25 basis points to 3%. The rate cut itself was expected, however it appears that the consensus was more towards 50 basis points, and this led to the currency actually rising despite the cut. On the news front, keep an eye on the New Zealand trade balance, forecast at 100 million, as a miss is possible and it may impact the pair strongly. Taking a look at the cable now, and the pair rose strongly as a hawkish bias from the Bank of England continues to provide some much needed support. Statements from the central bank seem to imply that a rate rise is still on the cards later this year, despite an apparent cooling in most Western countries' economies. The cable is likely to remain fairly quiet ahead of the UK core retail sales figures, which are forecast at 0.4%. Shifting to commodities now, and crude oil took an absolute hammering, closing down 2.92% on the back of evidence of an inventory build. This doesn't bode well for WTI crude, considering we are currently right in the middle of the US summer. Gold and silver also finished down 0.61 and 0.32% respectively. Finally, taking a look at our analyst pick of the day, and silver is looking to make a retracement after the savage falls of late. The commodity has suffered under a strong bearish trend, but has recently formed a double bottom and is looking to retrace back towards the top of the trend line. The RSI oscillator is showing some divergence as price meanders sideways, yet RSI has trended north out of oversold territory. Ultimately, the price action will need to close above the 30 EMA to cement a move to the long side. For more information, please subscribe to our newsletters at blackwelltrader.com. This is Steve Knight with Blackwell Global. Thanks for watching.